Makatawag gyud ko anang moingon nga may makakahayahay ka. Hayahay gyud kaayo bitaw. Karon magkuan ko pa wheel of names, magpa-raffle ko sa mga bata. Gaandam ko para sa last day of school, na sila yung mga ma-receive nga gifts. Mga gamit lang gud nga simple basta ma-excite lang sila. Hayahay, katawa ra jud ko. Hayahay, and most of these people maybe don't know my story and I will never get tired of telling my story. I am like a living proof that poverty is not a hindrance to success. And I don't know if you wanna get through what I went through. Like manglimpyo ko, mangwaswas og mga nilabhan na dugo suka sa ospital, tae, amo na siyang waswasan by hand. And of course, manghugas mig plato sa mga kinanan sa pasyente and I don't know unsay mga kagaw nga naaana, init kay among kamot kay maggamit mo ininit tubig panghugas ana manually by hand. While I was also juggling college, while also extra doing curricular activities, and akong balon back in 2011, 2012, 5 or gisra, igo ra gyud na siya ipa-photocopy, guys. So before you tell someone nga hayahay ilang life, you should know if you will get through what they went through. Dili gyud lalim ang kinabuhi and makaana gyud ko nga if you are surrounded with people who believe in you and you have that enough motivation and inspiration to not to get stuck to that life, and I don't want to get stuck to that life. That's why I made the decision to go abroad and do this to have a better life for me and my family. So I hope that's something that inspires you, mga batanon karon. Ayaw jud mo kawala og paglaom and do not lose that faith and hope nga good things will come to you. Magampo o you have your pure intentions, dili lang ka man tunob og tawo, di ka mo take advantage og tawo, mao lang yun na mo succeed ra gyud ka sa imong kinabuhi. This might be contradicting sa akong unang video. I was just explaining 15 or 16 years na ko gatrabaho and I'm still like 30, 31. Char, dili mo angkon sa edad bitaw, 31 ako. And lahi-lahi na akong trabaho, call center, nag-janitor na ako, nang laban ako, nang limpyo na akong morgue and all, while also ga-college ko. Then 10 years or 11 years of that is teaching. So although I said about how amazing your work ethic could be and how it could help you land on your next career, take advantage of it and yeah, get the skills that you need, ayog pa kamatyi pud ang trabaho. Know when how to stop, know when how to have fun, and we are very replaceable ra gyud. Ana ra gyud ang kinabuhi, guys. Bisag unsa pa ta ka amazing, dayon human unsaon man nato na atong kwarta og ma-stress na pud tag maayo, di ba? So kinahanglan na ra gyud balance sa pagpaningkamot ug sa paglingaw-lingaw. And sa akong 16, 15 years nga trabaho, I know how to have fun. Kinahanglan jud ka malingaw-lingaw, zumba, hiking, pwede nga karaoke, jamming-jamming with friends, o dapat na lang gud siya balance kay para dili pod makuan atong life, no? Dili boring, and also if you don't have life outside of work, you keep thinking about work. Ang mga problema sa work, imong salopon, imong sagopon, imong buhaton tanan, dili na po na siya balanse. Dili na siya balanse. Napo kay friends and family who's waiting for you nga makabanding sa imuha, sa imong time. So, dapat balanse lang gid ang kinabuhi. Mao lang to. Ako na ning gi-English nga vlog pero ako na pong Bisayaon. Una na akong trabaho 2011 sa Tubigan, water refilling station. 70 or 80 a day, ang overtime 7 pesos. And then, nakatrabaho na po kong Qualfo, nakatrabaho kong ECE. Before that, nag-working ko sa Holy Child while also gaskwela ko college. Nag-working ko po sa Carmelite Monastery, kaila po kong gipaskwela. And nakatrabaho po ko sa pandemic rare job, nagtudlo ko og Japanese, nag-tutor ko og English. And as in daghan na kay kong work experience, and I'm saying this not because I'm earning dollar now, but I'm saying this nga kinahanglan nimo kat-unan gyud ang trabaho, work ethic, work relationships, because it will really hone you to becoming a better employee for the next career move you want. Ang motivation nako atong 80 pa akong adlaw is the same motivation nga nag-earn ako diri sa US. It's the same, wala gyud na usob, dili gyud ko pala absent. I always think about what solutions I can give to the problem. 10 years na akong nagtudlo and dili ko maayo sa interview lang. 'Pag nakatrabaho nako, I always have that good mindset nga unsa may pwede natong mabuhat para makatabang ta ani nga company or kani nga eskwelahan. And it will also improve your relationship with other people. Holistic siya, kay makatabang pud siya sa imuhang relationship with your family and friends. Kay it says a lot baya ang imong pagpanrabaho, ang imuhang career, and sa US 'no, dili sila mahadlok mo balhin og jobs. Pero kita, we stick to one job and I think there's no problem with that. Basta kay you always put your best foot forward kay mao gyud na siya maka-help nimo to have a career move nga unsa may imong ganahan i-pursue next, and it will really hone the present and the future nga life nga imong ganahan.